Hello, welcome back to the channel. So, going to take a look at Sensex. Right, coming week, what are the key levels? देखते हैं as per SMC ICT concepts. So, currently first thing, just the current month high और low mark कर लेते हैं. And this week, which we discussed, and market ने वहीं से एकदम perfectly rejection दिया था. ये जो इस week का mid point है. That was a very good trade. I think monthly this week is important. Basically 81,000 level. Downside this week also is iska jo midpoint hai, that is also very relevant, but for this week a little far. We'll see, but we should have that on our charts in case of aggressive fall. Yahan pe market aake it can stay. So that's one thing. Moving on to weekly. So these two candles, these 2 weeks, तो ये काफ़ी नियर है इसके हाइस. सो अगेन लिक्विडिटी है, राउंड लेवल भी है 81,000. So one thing. And on the downside, a couple of volume imbalances. This one market already tapped in once. Still अभी इसके इस एरिया में कोई बॉडी नहीं है. So again market can come back to this area. And of course ये volume imbalance भी है. This is also a fair value gap as well, these 3 candles. So yeah, I think और नीचे एक और गैप भी है. सो काफ़ी टारगेट्स हैं ऑन द डाउन साइड. I think that's all on weekly. Moving on to daily. Now daily, this is these 2 days ये एक volume imbalance बन गया. So again expectation है that market should go towards to fill एक कैंडल की बॉडी आएगी इस एरिया में. So that's one. I'm just going to highlight थोड़ा इसको lighter shade में. So काफ़ी बड़ा एरिया है. So yeah, I think this much is fine. There's a fair value gap as well, a big one, but initially I'll be looking at this volume imbalance. Again, if you see तो any candle जहाँ पे एक wick है, we should measure उसका 50% level. So if you see market just open right about there, वहीं से market ने एक up move दिया था. So again, all these levels are very important, should be on our charts. That's all on daily. Looking at 4 hours. 4 hours, there's this fair value gap. So that could be a one pull for the market. ये एरिया एक fair value gap है. And of course ये एक on 4 hours is this wick. So 79,750. I think if market इस level के ऊपर निकलती है, I think that's when one can plan for this tap into fair value gap. But again, उसका midpoint, you should observe कि market is it taking, resistance and coming down. या फिर market is going to fill this entire fair value gap. But yeah, this level is key, I think, in my opinion. 79,750 for any long trades. Market should stay above it for 80,000. That's one quick trade that could be possible. Downside, I'll wait for market to actually close, go below the previous day low. ये जो midpoint है इसके इस wick का इसके नीचे for this volume imbalance, so that could be one trade. Just adjusting the volume imbalance. And अगर market और bearish है, then this fair value gap also can come in play. Of course, this नीचे एक बहुत बड़ा gap है, so I think नीचे के targets are more easy to understand. ऊपर थोड़ा complex structure. So moving on to 1 hour. So if you see this this wick of this candle as well on 1 hour, market उसके 50% level से reject हो गया, market started to come down. So when you see something like this, it's always easier to sell calls, keep holding them until and unless a candle body is not closing above this level. So the downside, I think, looks the same. There's another fair value gap here. You want to 30 minutes. Again, volume imbalance है, fair value gap है. So again, like I said, ये 79,754. I'll let market to close above this level, at least on 15 minutes. And then I can think about a trade for this fair value gap. Initially, I'll just go for 80,000 because there's a lot of candles. यहाँ से market पहले घूमी थी. Same is the case here from that same 80,000 level, and now it has broken. So it could be कि market वहाँ से just tap करके might come down. So yeah, if you're on a long trade, वो 80,000 level पे जो you on profit, I think you should book it, or at least trail it. Initially एक fair value gap है, 80. 1,300 levels, and then the remaining part of this high time frame fair value gap. So that's how you should plan. Yeah, and the downside, I'll wait for the previous day low. So going to 15 minutes. I think that's the same. तो एक सेफ ट्रेड ये होगा कि मार्केट इफ goes above 80,700 level, basically that would indicate that market is going to go to remove all these equal highs. So week, I think, will be an easier trade. But yeah, downside, if it goes below previous day low, then clear hai ki wo will go towards this volume imbalance. And then it will, based on kitna bearish market, this sudden move, this one move, one side, market might fill, come down and fill this. Of course, longer term, this couple of huge gaps. यहाँ पे कोई trading ही नहीं है, so market will potentially fill these. But again, first market को prove करना like I'll see market is which side market is trying to create fair value gaps on the downside, at least on 5 minute and 1 minute, respecting the 50% level of those fair value gaps. So if that's happening, then downside action looks more interesting. Yeah, on the upside, I think I'll wait and watch. Like I said, I'll wait for this 80,700 level. One trade, one quick trade would be this 79,754 to this 80,000 level. So that would be one trade. Yeah, that's how it looks like for this week. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please do give this video a like, and please do subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you want me to dig deep into any of these concepts. Happy to create some additional videos. Thanks so much.